What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are back in the garage with the STi yet again. Can't get enough of this thing, I'm stoked. We're putting the mud flaps on it today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started by taking the wheel off, and we'll do the back one first. I ordered these from Edge Autosport as I talked about in the previous videos. Those guys are rad, super fast shipping, great customer service, but I already unboxed it because I was so excited the other day. But this is the package it comes in. The Subaru ones have a metal bracket, and those go for the rears, and the fronts are super easy, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. It has some paperwork of directions on how to install them. Looking at the back, getting started, underneath, flathead screwdriver, pop this guy off right here, and then we can separate the fender from the inner liner and stick in this guy right here. It goes just like that. You can tell by the bolts that stick out like that. And right when you pull that black plastic clip out, it goes through the bottom right there, so it's real simple. Before you guys put this in right here, make sure you take one of these little clips, these square ones, the smaller square one, and then snap it in. And then we can kind of push it underneath. After kind of moving it around a little bit, I have this in here now. We have both our screws looking out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this guy back underneath. Now take the mud flap. Do a washer up here and a nut. Same with the bottom one. Short screw with a washer. For the locking nuts, they are 11 millimeters, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. Just like that, the back one's in. See how it looks? Dope. Gonna go over and do the other back one and then move to the front. Just got the rears on, I'm so stoked. Oh! Look at the back. Looking good. Gonna pull the car around and do the fronts now. Reading the directions, the first thing we need to do is pull these fasteners out. There's two kinds of clips. There's an S clip and a flat clip. The S clips go right here and then a flat clip on the bottom. And then also this needs to go to the back, and this front part is the only thing that should be showing. Flat clip on the bottom. And also when you're looking at the Rally Armour, that's how this bracket goes, because you're not going to see it once it's on the car. Short screw and washer and the middle one. For the bottom one, we need a long screw and washer. Another short screw and washer up top. In the package there's these spacers. I almost didn't put them on right now. The flat side goes on top, and then the curved edge goes with the car, and it needs to go on the outside towards the car of the bracket on the bottom one. So don't forget this. We're all tight now, everything's good. Bent our bracket in a little bit. This is the long screw with the washer, short screw with the washer, short screw with the washer. Make sure you have that spacer right here. That makes it sit flush. Now it looks way good. Gonna finish the other side and we'll see how it looks. Just finished up the front. We're looking good. Silver looks sick. Really like it. From the back. You can see them now. Dope. Really need some spacers with these stock wheels. They look terrible. But for now, I'm excited. But think that's it. Not the next video, but the one after that, I think I'm going to announce what the giveaway is. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting early about the giveaway and what it is. And spam my Instagram, get my attention. Let me know that you want it once it's out. So yeah, follow me. Order your parts on Edge Autosport for your mud flaps. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.